All right, y'all. Thank you for joining me for another hair video. Oh, my ear. I went ahead and cut my cap, so it'll stay. Okay. So today I'm doing a wig with wet lace. This is Glenna, and she is a light ash brown. Let's see what she's working with. Oh, okay, Glenna. Oh, I'm just wasting stuff. Okay. All right, so this is what she looked like. Color is beautiful, and she is pre-plucked, as you can see. And this is what it looks on the inside. She has a comb right here, and she has a comb right here, and it just looked like it should be like a middle part, maybe. Or you can try to do a side part, but you know you can't go too deep. Okay, and then she has a comb right here as well. And then, of course, she has a band. I don't know. She feels kind of small. Hopefully, I can fit her. If not, I mean, I paid my money for it, so I have to figure out how I'm going to wear it, right? Right. First, we're going to do the ball cap. And, you know, I always just pump it up. Of course. And then we are going to blow dry. Okay, so now we're gonna cut it, of course. Hopefully it's blow dry good. If it's not, we will blow dry again. I think it's more syllables. Okay, now that's done, we're gonna use our makeup. I use Black Radiance, and I always use a dark one, then I come in with the light one. I mean, if you use your color or whatever color you desire, this is what I use. Okay, so I'm adding glue around my edges. I just need to lay that down a little bit more. And I'm gonna get my comb. Just lay that. Oh, not that one. My comb. Then I'm just gonna lay it down. And then I'm gonna blow dry afterwards. Blend in a little more. Okay. So now I'm gonna blow dry that, because that's not gonna be my glue to lay my wig down. Yeah, I gotta see how small it is. This wig gonna fit my big head. So wish me luck. Okay, so I got it on from the back. We're gonna see how it's gonna be in the front. I don't wanna rip it. Okay. Uh-oh. Let's see. Where my hair go? Now let's see how these sides gonna lay down like they're supposed to. I don't wanna look crazy. That's one thing I hate about wigs. I love my wigs, don't get me wrong. But you don't know if your head gonna fit them. That's the crazy part. And you don't want to rip it. I mean, if you rip it, I mean, you still gonna wear it. Just gotta glue it down very well. It should glue down real good. Okay. That side seem okay. Let's look at this side. See what this look like. Okay, yeah, might work. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna add some makeup. And I'm gonna go in with my dark, and I'm gonna go in with my light again. Do whatever color that suits you. So we're just gonna dab it on there. Okay, so now that we know that our wig is going to fit, and then we're gonna use some glue and lay it down where we know, where we're gonna put it at. Put the glue above my hair. I mean, size on metal. To me, it's grow back fast, but I try not to put it all the way on my weird hair. Even though I don't have any hair there. It is what it is. Okay, we're gonna put that, rub that down. Then I always do 2 coats. I don't want too tight. Give me a headache. I want to be able to take it off when I want to take it off, or loosen it up. So let's come in again with another one. But then you don't want your wig sliding back at work, or whatever you do for a living. Okay. Okay, so now that we got that, oh, my light is tripping. Y'all gotta give me another light, but yeah. So now we're gonna bring our, make sure size right. Side lower. I'm gonna get another light. Oh, Jesus, fix it. But if my, dang it, Amazon. I think it's time for them. It's okay though, but look. So we're gonna bring this to the front. Like I said, don't be looking surprised. Relax them faces. You don't want to be face get stuck. Okay. Get the sides on. Don't pull on it too hard because it's kind of thin. You don't want that lace to break. Then you really be putting glue on there. Trying to get it to stay. Because you don't waste your money. You don't want to waste it. Get that down in there. And with it being this color, you don't want none of your hair to show. It's going to look a little awkward. Come on, light. It's okay. But listen, okay. So, bring this side down as well. All right, so we get the blow dryer and dry it. Okay, so now that we have it blow dried, so we're going to tie it down. I didn't figure out if we're going to do a side part, middle part, whatever. I swear these things just be hitting me in my face. It's like, oops. Lord, let me clip all this up. Tie it kind of tight. Don't tie it too tight, but just a little tight so you can get that glue in there so it can just stay or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these since we already got our lace down. That little cap that's sticking right here. We'll go ahead and cut it. take it. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. No, starts hanging on me now, synthetic. I don't know if I'm gonna do a side part or what. I'll probably just do a side part. All right, I'm gonna get my part together and I'll be right back. Okay, so I decided to do a side part. You really can't see my part, so dang on like not side part, middle part. You really can't see it, but it looks straight on my end from the my part or whatever. It's dark in here. But yeah. So I'm gonna get my wax stick and I got my straightening comb. And then we're gonna part and put wax and straighten, flatten it out. It is synthetic, so keep in mind you can have that heat up, so I put it on 1. You want it flat as possible. Wish my lighter come back on. It's fine. I just ordered another one. All right, so I got this nice and flat. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I got this side flat, we're gonna do some edges. That's right. Flat, 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 flat. Don't put that strainer comb as soon as you do that spray, because it's gonna make that white stuff come up. I hate that. So let it comb it in a little bit and then sit it on there. There we go. Okay, let me leave it alone. Okay, so we're gonna take this out. And then we're gonna take the strainer comb and go through this part. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to cut our lace. And don't forget to zigzag it. I cut my lace or whatever, and let's try to make some little, I would say sideburns, little edges. I'm back at they used to call them sideburns. Back in the day. You really can't see it, the part, because the wig is so dang dark, well, light looking, and it's okay. But I'm gonna get it right, and I'm on. Okay, so now we're gonna get our scissors, and we're going to cut it. With some edge control. Well, I've been using braiding gel for my edges, and it holds very well. But hey, if you don't like it, use whatever you want. But that's what I use. I probably should have curled it first, but I'm being lazy today. I really am. All right, I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I like it. I just put a little oil sheen on it so it don't start feeling all tangly, but yeah, I like it. I most definitely will be wearing this wig again. So like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.